Then why does nature choose to not to optimize flow, but why does nature choose flow? Like, and as we mentioned this earlier in the conversation, but is this flow process, is this a fundamental property of space and time, at least on Earth?
You're speaking jargon, space and time. Take one at a time, but I will prefer not to even bring it up because we have not defined time. I know about space, call it size. Um, the I forgot the beginning of repeat your question.
Why does nature choose to optimize flow? I know you say you don't like the word optimize, but that's the vocabulary
Nature,
I have.
nature no, no, no. You asked me about why does nature choose to flow? I think that was the way you
Yes.
first uh, uh, movement. That's the second law. The second law is was recognized without much opposition. It's about the fact that everything must flow from high to low, from where it is plenty to where it is lacking. You see, that could be water up on the mountain, um, heat in a place that's hot versus another place that's cold. Um, uh, Mass transfer, or yes, sweetness from uh, sugar-rich region here to
Hmm.
a neighboring region where there's no sugar. All of that, if given time, the sweetness equilibrates. So that's flow. The one-way movement of anything, electricity, the same thing. The one-way movement of something is second law. That is flow. But the fact that the flow impresses us, but also its immediate environment, say animals and other things with configuration, is another natural tendency, which is the constructal law. In thermodynamics, before constructal law, there was no drawing, no drawing, uh, and even less principle to proclaim the arrival of drawings in nature.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
Uh, I said in the classical thermodynamics, meaning in thermodynamics, before the constructed law, there were no drawings
Hmm.
and no principle or law to proclaim or to require uh, these systems to acquire or exhibit configuration.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, so the constructed law is, I wouldn't call it the third law. It's about I think it belongs in thermodynamics, which is the, the, really the disciplines that covers everything. You brought up biology. I mean, all the animals obey, the very, very few laws of thermodynamics, one tooth, in this case, constructed law. Um, and there is that's about all that I can say about it. It's not, and I don't use words uh, in a cavalier fashion. I think the meaning of the words really matters.